Wago distribution boxes and Winster connectors guarantee complete and rational solutions in project business. Modern building technology requires the highest possible margin for costs, flexibility and expansion. With the Wago distribution boxes, short planning and implementation timetables can be achieved, as well as smooth function modifications. The distribution boxes are designed and produced on a project-specific basis, according to the customer's requirements. Terminal blocks, power supply units, voltage transformers, relay modules, or I/O modules. Wago supplies them all with proven quality, all from one source. Equipping the distribution boxes with the Winster connector system guarantees quick integration into the building installation. Wago distribution boxes and Winster connectors, warrantors for complete and rational solutions in project business.